Hey mom, guess what? You're really tough, and I know you did all you could just to make sure my life was good. Sorry for the fights and the tone of my voice. Sorry for the nights when I made the wrong choice. Life is flying by and it's hitting me now. I hope it's not.
Kung ito man ang huling awiting awitin, nais kong malaman mong ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong sambiting, niligyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Kasama kitang dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi, dahil iyong narinig mula sa labig ko. Salamat, sana iyong marinig tibok ng damdamin. Ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin, ang awitin ko'y iyong dinggin. At kung marinig ang panalangin, lagi kang naroroon, humihiling ng pagkakataon. Nasabi ko sa'yo ng harapan, kung gaano kita kailangan. pagsisisi dahil iyong narinig mula sa labig kong sarap. Mama, she's the best. She's the sunshine in my chest with a smile that lights the day. She's the one that got my way. Jumping